Today, I will discuss to you about embracing the future, the power of sustainable technology. So, what is sustainable technology? Sustainable technology refers innovative design to meet our current needs without compromising the environment. By focusing on resources, efficiency, and low carbon principles, it addresses critical global challenges like climate change and resources depletion, ensuring a balanced future for the planet and the economy. So, how does sustainable technology works? So, sustainable technology replaces traditional high pollution methods like eco-friendly alternatives. One of the key examples include renewable technology like wind and solar. So, ito yung mga devices na ginagamit na pwedeng ma-convert ang sunlight or wind into energy para mabawasan yung paggamit ng technology ay energy na nakakapagpadagdag sa pollution. So, green transparent electric vehicles. So, ito na yung mga modern electronic vehicles na pinapagana ng electricity. A circular economy tools like advanced recycling. These systems works by maximizing the lifespan of materials and minimizing the carbon footprint of our daily activities. One of the benefits of sustainable technology is the shift towards green tech offers significant advantages, which are environmental impact. It directly reduces greenhouse gas emissions and preserves vital resources like water and minerals. Dito po ay nababawasan yung mga pollution through air and water. And economic and social gains. It fosters green jobs in new industries and improves public health by reducing air and water pollution. Equity it provides more affordable, decentralized energy access to remote communities, including many areas in the Philippines. So, what are the challenges to overcome in sustainable technologies? So, challenges to overcome, despite its potential, the transition faces hurdles, high upfront cost of infrastructures such as EV charging stations and slow adoptions. There are also complex transitions involve policies update and trade-offs, such as environmental impact of mining minerals for batteries. Today, sustainable technology is no longer a concept but a global priority. Countries worldwide, including the Philippines, are aggressively expanding their renewable energy target. With growing private investment and evolving international standards, sustainable technology is becoming a backbone of a modern industrial revolution. So, sustainable technology, ito na yung naging pang-backup na resources at mas pinipilit na ng mga countries, like different countries, katulad ng sa atin, bansa natin na mas pinipreserve at mas pinipili na ma-renew ng mas lalo para mas magamit ito in future use. One of the advantages of the sustainable technology is environmental protection. The most direct benefit is the reduction of pollution. It lowers carbon footprints and helps to stop destruction and ecosystem. So, itong environmental protection, kumbaga, mas lalagit itong nababawasan ang mga pollution katulad ng carbon dioxide at yung mga greenhouse.
The slide, Environmental Benefits and Ethical Considerations, lays out the good things that solar energy does for our planet. But it also shines a light on the ethical and environmental issues or hurdles we face, like how we source materials for panels and what to do with the old ones. The big takeaway is that we need to handle these issues thoughtfully and be responsible as we move forward with the solar power energy. The main point of this is that solar energy has major environmental benefits but faces issues in ethical and disposal challenges that require attention. How? The benefits are that solar energy doesn't produce any emissions when it's working, so it cuts down on greenhouse gases and air pollution. And it uses a lot less water than traditional fossil fuel power plants. The challenges that we may face is that mining the materials we need for solar panels like silicon and silver can harm the environment. To fix this, we need to make sure we mine responsibly and build better recycling programs. Next is challenges, barriers to solar energy adoption. In this slide, it talks about the main things that makes it hard for more people to start using solar energy. The main point of this is that intermittency, high upfront cost, and land use issues are key barriers to solar energy adoption. How it works. Intermittency. Solar only makes electricity when the sun is shining, so it doesn't work at night or when it's cloudy. That means we need batteries to store extra power for when we can't get it from the sun. The cost is buying and installing a solar system can be really expensive at first, which makes it hard for some people and businesses to afford. The land use, the big solar farms need a lot of space, which can be a problem because we might need that land for other things like farming or protecting nature. In this conclusion of Powering Tomorrow, this slide will wrap up the presentation by reminding us how important solar energy is for building a sustainable future. It will encourage all of us to do our part to help switch to solar power. The main point of this is that solar energy is essential or vital for a sustainable future. Thank you for your time and for listening. So, quote, "The best way to predict the future is to invent it," by Alan Kay.